So here it is, guys. A quick unboxing of the MPC Live 3. Here you get the power supply. That's the cord here. Underneath here, there's a included USB-C cable. And here's the MPC Live. And so this is the power cord. It's the power supply. Let's open this up. Get your manuals and stuff like that. Alright, so here it is. So there you go. You get your headphones, this your speaker off and on, your main outs, your extended outs. You got 6 outs all together. You got your audio in, you got your phono in, your ground, your locking, your MIDI, your CV gate, SD card. You have your USB hub and a USB-C connection for your computer or external drives or whatever. On the side, so it looks. Front, you have your speaker grill. And so you have your touch strip. This is an indicator. This your volume. This your touch screen configurator button. You have your pads here. Your new MPC-E pads with the new MPC-E technology. You have the jog wheel, the Q links. You have a ton of buttons. You have a mic here. Mic in, arrange to, record to arrange, tap tempo, menu. You have your main track. You have your shift. You have your sounds. You have your edit. You have your grid, you have your arrange matrix, mixer input, your transport control, plus or minus. You have the step sequencer, the new step sequencer here, now buttons here, and lock here. You have note repeat, latch. You have 4 level user level, 16 level to keyboard, so you can just say load up a bass line there and press the keyboard and then spread it across all your pads or your whole keys. You have the erase. This is your banks, copy, delete, notes, note sequence, redo. You have load project, save as, sample edit sampler, and track mute and pad mute. And you have the same size screen that you had before on this thing, and it is really well made, and it is heavier than the previous MPC Live, definitely. Now this machine comes with 8 gigs of RAM and has 4 times the processing power that you had before.